sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken sailor? But throw him offshore. Oh, what will we do? Um, this is the new sort of I'm vibing right now. Oh, autosave part one, the free trials. Yeah. Wait, hold on. What will we do for drunken sailor? What will we do for drunken sailor? What will we do for drunken sailor? Torture him alive. Hmm. Okay. I need to slowly turn this one down. Sorry, I'm a little bit too. Okay, that's the attitude. Um, let me tab back into this one. Um, let me also put this aside. Hopefully, all of you have been doing pretty good so far. I don't know what I've been doing. I've sort of just been walking around, not really slacking off. I don't really have that much direction in my life at the moment, so I'm trying to regain the initiative after losing it for so long. Uh, hmm. I think we should head back to the shipyard, but not before we head back to the village, see what's up. I don't think there's gonna be anything here, but I just really want to check and see if there's like really nothing. I wonder if the fortune teller lady is up to anything, because if she is, that probably means that I can like go find her and do what I need to do. What are you up to? Oh, it's only you again. Uh, okay, that's rude. Brother, if I buy your wares, I expect customer service afterwards. I expect like I expect quality after service care, because I don't want to buy something and then and I don't want you to tell me, "Oh, that wasn't really worth anything at all." Brock, did I miss something there? You. We're chickens. Cat knuckles. Um, well, I guess if they are declawing the cats, they would probably have cat knuckles. Okay. Uh, Tell me about the future now. Am I going to die? Probably not, but I keep tabbing out. I don't know. I don't know. I think, huh? Oh, I must first find others to help in my cause. Um, let me change the audio around in this. I don't know if you guys can even hear the game, but okay. Another vision. You must what? Monkey Island, where the ghost pirate, the Flying Dutchman, he hides deep. Deep beneath Monkey Island. Oh, the One Ring. Oh, horny goatweed. Wow, so like Hakai. Yeah, maybe stay off the drugs or something. Based, based. I'm totally into getting eaten. Based, based. Great. The cannibal that loves me? Hold on. He loves me? Sorry, I don't swing that way. Okay. It will terrify me. I don't know, man. I've seen a lot on the internet in my day. I think that vaguely, I've already seen it. I've already seen most of it. Pick up. Um, I don't know if this is actually. Let me check chat really quickly. Hopefully this is working. Okay. Let me check. Are you really here? Are any of you here? Nope, nobody's here. So it's fine. Bum 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 bum. Who the hell are you? Oh, uh, absolutely not. Why would I loot your? Oh, oh. Maybe you shouldn't have thrown me off board. Have you ever considered that? You, froze me off board. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, society called. You're dealing with people pillaging the mansion? Too bad. That's based and all, but I don't really care about that. I mean, it's kind of your fault that you're so bad at it that you're even getting pillaged in the first place. Maybe you should build your mansion in the interior, not right along the coast, right along the coast where people can just seize your ship. Hello? Uh, we're gonna have to we're gonna have to get her back. But not before using that rubber chicken to skirt across that zip line on the other side of the island. Okay. What will we do for drunken sailor? What will we do for drunken sailor? Why don't they just ask the sword master to hold on, let me turn this off. Why don't they just ask the sword master to like kill LeChuck for us? Right? I'm not really sure I'm that much stronger than the sword master. I think that the only reason why I'm even here is that none of my losses count, and the only canon is that one victory. Okay. Okay. Let's go all the way to the other side. See what happens. Hello, I've come to burn down your house and kill everyone inside. Billions will die. But at this point in time, only dozens of you will get your heads bashed. Oh, it could support my weight. What do you mean it could support your weight? This is an empty mansion. There's nobody inside of it. Oh, also, hi new viewer. I'm basically insane. So who the hell are you? Hey! Oi, crikey! Actually, this little berry! Let's go, England! Let's score some fucking goals! Let's go, England! The governor's been kidnapped! That's preposterous! Oh, really? Wow. Oh no. This is horrible! What are we gonna do? Uh, this is the Subaru option. Uh, we become overcome with despair and just give up. Oh, that sounded more like Subaru. Ah, I know. And go rescue her. What an idea, indeed. What about me? You, yes. I'm Captain Subaru. Don't you dare mock me. I'm the world's best. I'm gonna become king of the pirates. I'm gonna become like Luffy. Except it's gonna be like that arc. It's gonna be Luke Arc 2 Luffy before they really care about the Marines, and back when they fought, everything would just be resolved within like 10 arcs. Wow. Are they your stash of magazines? Is it your Twitter recommended page? Oh, I don't think you can scare me anymore. You can make me anxious and disturbed, but you can't really scare me. Oh, har 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 har. Har 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 har. Oh, don't worry. I have the Speed Force in me, so I'm not really that concerned if things don't go my way. And oh, no. Okay. I don't really think that. Wow, am I gonna get superpowers when I open the last gate? The last gate of breathing? Arguably, yeah. But also, I don't really care. I'm not going to open that little door. Uh, sir, that's highly suggestive. I'm canonically, well, okay. Fortunately, I'm not a lolly show streamer though, so ah, uh, is this the same guy? Is this the same parrot that was there before? Masaka. Uh, I don't know. I'll do anything once. I feel like such a coward. I have more than one. Medoc. Yeah. This is Wow, Guybrush, I didn't know you swang that way. I won't let you down either. I won't let you down either, my Nakama. Um, maybe I'll get a chance to show you my. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Let me see if there's anything behind here. If there's not, I'm gonna go back inside, see if there's anything to pick up. If there's nothing to pick up, then I'll just head out. Well, let me just head in. High key, I do think. Okay. That's great. Right. All right then. Hold on. Let's see. I have the rubber chicken. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yippee! Okay. It works both ways. Apparently you do too. So that's not really that surprising. I despise you. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Okay. Captain. Wow. Uh, Majin Henka. Oh, yep. Wow. I didn't know you were wearing a flesh suit. Or did you like devour him inside out, like reverse vor style? We had a little trouble. Trouble. Oh. Well, fortunately, dead people don't have any sexual desire that we know of, so I don't have to worry about you doing the other thing to her. Oh, you're not taking any chances at all. Freepwood, are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? I know some people on DeviantArt which would really like that description which you've given. Based. Yes, sir. Ugh. Ugh. Now go check on the route. It's locked up tight. Okay. Um, hello, new viewer. Please enjoy my stream of me being a total deranged weirdo. I probably wasn't this weird originally, but I've sort of woken up to being Well, it's not chud. I'm not chud pilled right now. I'm like pseudo normie pilled, pseudo chud pilled, pseudo schizo pilled, but I'm not actually pilled at all. I'm just me. Uh, hold on, hold on. Can I recruit the sword master to my party? Um, yeah, I need a Nami. I need a Nami in my group. I need a Lami. A Lami. Please give me a Lami. Hey, your governor has just been kidnapped. I need you to come over here and we need to torture this big guy. The governor's been kidnapped! Take a look yourself. I guess you have to, it depends on your morality, woman. Okay. Uh, is there anyone else who I could, like, recruit? I assume the Fettuccine brothers don't want to be recruited as, like, cannon fodder. I think they would die instantly, so I'm not gonna do that. Uh, wow. Based. Used ship about to collapse. Big and slow, please. That's the kind. I like my ships just like how I like my women. Tee hee. Or small and fast, please. Tee hee. Another look into my sick, twisted mind. Um, Cannons and cannons both sink your ships, bro. One of your boats is about to fall apart. So I don't know if I really trust you with anything. I just think that that's probably a bad idea. Quality. Quality. Uh, Nordic Giga Chad. I don't know. Okay. There's no way this would work. Uh, uh, I don't think you should ever use credit to buy a vehicle. But if you really feel like using credit to buy, might extend you some credit. Wow. I knew I should have talked to that guy first. Okay, this is so stupid. Money is no object. Well, it is for me. How much you got? Okay. That's that's uh that's okay, fine. Okay. Um oh, okay. Uh I don't really have that much to spend. Is this gonna give me the same default answer? Am I gonna be poor? Guys, I'm going to die penniless. I'm gonna be like borderline IYKYK. Um I'm gonna be like the bad ending in one of those visual novels the kids talk about nowadays. The ones that people don't usually consume on channels like these. Um the light chud sort of novels. The light chud visual novels. Monkey Island based. I'm Subaru Natsuki. Can you make me disappear forever? Oh, okay. Crew of oh, I didn't know that like your mom could drive a ship. That explains why you smell so bad. I'll make you an offer you can't refuse. Come on. Okay. You piece of you piece of shit swindler. Okay. I'm gonna swear like once. I think that's enough for a PG-13 rating. You are an evil person and you should feel bad. I got a feeling. But new previously owned vessel. Go to hell. Thank you. Okay. Uh that might have ended a bit too plus 100 used car ship salesman. Okay. Die. All right. I don't accept spam bots in my chat. Okay. Right. Yes, sirree. Wow. Uh I know he'll be back. Because I'm the one controlling him from the shadows of this world. Your entire world is a distortion of my twisted mind. I am God in this world. What are you doing, man? Um, I don't really want to talk to you. Actually, do you have any sage advice, Obi-Wan? Nope, none. Okay, you are an insane psycho. You should be on my side. I should not have to go all the way over here to a bunch of drunks who, arguably Uh, oh, should I hold on? I alt tabbed. Okay. You better not be fucking crying like a big baby. You are crying like a big baby. What happened? What's wrong, Goldsot? The governor's gone! The spectral true came and got her! They put her on the ghost ship and spirited her away. She was so good to me. Always conveniently. Uh, are those considerations more or less than 178 pieces of eight? Oh. Are you gonna be our Sanji? You look more like a Zeph to me. Um, okay. Will you join me? Uh, get me a drink. Oh, okay. You're insane. Bye now. Who are you, my mom? You're not my mother. You fat piece of lard. God, I love you. This is such a charming little interaction. All fat people hate. All right. Oh, so you're not gonna help me out when when nobody's here to help me. That's so sad. This is so dystopian. Well, I can't believe that this chud world would refuse me even the faintest bit of moral sanctuary in such trying times as these. Okay, all right, you old codger. You better give me like, yeah, that's fine. She always says that. Yeah. Yes, of course I do. You can. You're just trusting me to like. What the hell is this? What the hell, man? What the helly? Oh. Hmm. Okay. Hold on. Am I gonna have to steal a fucking promissory note? Um, I despise you. I despise everything that you stand for. Okay. Control, pull. Oh, okay. That's awfully convenient. I guess we are getting enough social credit to get out of here or hightail it out of here. Um, um, always ends right when I need it to. Ah, okay. You're busy destroying everything and turning that place into a dump. I'm I'm gonna do something else now. Oh, okay, okay. Um, surely, nope. Surely, surely my trusty crew will accompany me to the ends of the earth. You disgust me. Kenobi, you disgust me. Okay. Because they need a ship and you tore down all the aqueducts because you didn't want rowboats in the 1850s. And now in like 1927, everybody and now in 1926, everybody has to use those stupid large ships that nobody asked for instead of public transportation. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm in a very not chud attitude today. Uh cheap one, Viking one. Oh, oh, okay. You know, I should have just given you a I don't know. Okay. So, hmm. Oh, who am I to judge? Am I right? Well, he didn't. About as honest as you are, I guess. Ah, that's based. Okay. Um, let's talk extras. Yeah. Um, okay. Um, okay, I think I'm having enough of the background music right now. Let me switch to like something like this. Hold on. You are a real pirate. Okay. All right. I am tired. I think that's enough background music for now. Okay. Okay. Um, I don't know what we're gonna do here. What are you doing? What are you on about? Nope. I'm not putting anything in the background. I think they do make them like this. I'd like to make you an offer. I think that's how you get a divorce, man. Uh, I don't believe the words of the devil. I hate insurance. Okay. Um, let me go look at a walkthrough. I don't want to be stuck here all day. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. So, okay. Okay. I don't really believe in safety, man. Uh, why would I need a rack and pinion rudder? Why would I need one like that? Is this the entire joke? Hello? Um, I'm tired of that. I don't really think I want to know what that entails. Yeah, yeah. Okay. I just don't want to do everything like this. I think it's such a bad idea. I okay. That's a scumbag. Um, yes. Oh, that's how all of you work, isn't it? You're all scum. In more ways than one. Hopefully not that kind of bonding. Yes, you do. This is sort of like what I imagined having like a very clingy and obsessive life would be. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna take a break. I've been at it for too long, almost an hour. I'll continue off right after this.